So what are our friends at Apple up to? Well, they're reportedly skipping faster RAM for the iPhone 15 LPDDR5X, coming to iPhone 16 instead. I see. Another Apple fear story, they say. They're removing a feature before they even had it.
Right.
A rumored feature. They said, okay, you're going to get super fast RAM on the next phone. And they're like, no, it's not the next phone. You got that wrong. It's the next phone. iPhone 16 destined for release in 2024 will feature faster RAM, while the upcoming iPhone 15 will see no change in its type of memory. Oh, it's my favorite leaker, Shrimp Apple Pro.
Oh.
You know I love the shrimp stuff as well.
Tasty.
Well, I was having the Thai food the other day, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, and I had the pineapple rice type thing. Did it have pineapple in it? It definitely had shrimp in it. All right. I had a couple spring rolls over there. What's the official spring roll? What's the authentic spring roll? What does it have in it, the authentic spring roll?
Well, I think there's shrimp. Right?
Yeah, there's going to be some shrimp.
The vegetarian one's the egg roll, right?
Yeah. Oh, with the sprouts.
Yeah, and then there's a fresh roll.
In a tweet, I get the fresh roll as well. I got that too.
Delicious.
Don't even worry, dude. I got that as well.
Okay, you got it.
In a tweet seen by Mac Rumors, the leaker says the A18 Bionic will be based on TSMC's 3nm process. Like this year's A17 Bionic, a feature LPDDR5X memory. Currently, the iPhone 14 Pro features that LPDDR5. And the 15 Pro later this year will feature the same stuff. No upgrade in that department. The iPhone 15 could come with 8 gigs of RAM instead of the 6 currently offered. So they could give you more of the same RAM. And then sometime later on, maybe 2024, you're going to get the new stuff, which maybe gives you better battery life. But who knows? Because these things, they've been pretty good on the battery side for the last couple generations. But maybe Apple wants to make it thinner because now you don't need such a big battery. I don't know. However, they've been super efficient with RAM usage as well, prioritization and so on and so forth. So where they can get away with a smaller overall amount of RAM compared to other manufacturers, where you see those big numbers coming up, 16 and so forth.
But we shouldn't wait for the iPhone 16, right?
No, I'm waiting for the 17.
Okay.
I'm waiting for the 17 actually.
Okay. Well, the 15 is.
I need that LPDDR12X Pro
Ultra
Mega.